Thank you so much. Thank you. Cheers, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. It's very kind of you. Thank you. Right. This next song is a personal favorite. Thank you. It's by a group called The Fray, which you might not recognize from that name. But they have a song that I'm sure you're going to recognize. How to Save a Life. When we say we need to talk, he walks, we say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you, you stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right. A seagull's left and you stay right between the lines of fear and blame. You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to say a lie. That you know best, 'cause after all you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down and listen what it's wrong. The things you told him all along. Pray to God he hears you. Oh, and I pray to God he hears you. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to say the life. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a life. He begins to raise his voice to lower yours and grant it one last choice. Drive up till you lose the road, or break with the ones to follow. He will do one of two things. He will admit to everything.
Nice,
or he'll say, thank you, not the same. He will begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to say the life. Where did
everyone. Thank you.